Hi everyone, and welcome to our midday roundup. So that's the first roundup of the week, midday roundup of the week, as we are started Monday with a sell-off in the first 30 minutes. Now we reversed, and if we want to observe the price action, it really mimics the move of last Friday. So you can see the sell-off last Friday, the reversal, the sell-off today, the reversal. The number, as you can see, I will post it immediately in the room. Super flat. I don't want to say totally flat because we are up 0.05%, but the ranges, the trend, there is a reason for that, of course. In about 35 minutes, the speech from Chairman Powell in DC will start. It has the potential to be a market mover. Let's accept that and brace for a trade. If anybody is looking for a trade in Nvidia, for example, maybe the timing will be 1 p.m. Keep in mind, a speech immediately triggers volatility. It's not a piece of news that can be immediately translated into a move in the market. It's a speech. Maybe he's going to speak for an hour, maybe for 25 minutes. Anyway, the strength today in the markets is on semiconductor side. If you watch the strength in the leadership, we have AMD, MU, Robinhood, Nvidia. This bunch leading, and on the negative side, I will talk immediately in a bit. But as you can see, I mean, 2.6%. It's nice when the markets are not doing anything. Robinhood at the highs of the year. We talked about this stock. This is one of the best plays this year alongside Palantir. So Robinhood, good job. And you know what? We have plenty of time. There's nothing else to show anyway. So let me show you Robinhood in a minute. Okay, this is Robinhood, and this is how we traded today. Let's move when we trade individual stocks and not looking at indexes, or wanting to look for trades individual stocks. So again, the typical morning volatility, which is you know, a little bit tough to decipher at times, and then the stock cools off with the pullback in the market. Remember, it's foremost a market stock, a financial services stock, and this round number entry, as we are accustomed to, takes it from 66 to from 66 to almost 68, well, 67.50, with a reasonable level of risk. You can see it here. That's my strategy, to take it, if at all, from the bottom, and using the channel to enter at the highs of the channel and use the stop loss at the lows of the channel, or if possible, maybe look for other trades. But that's a potential trade. I mean, there obviously are many others. I'm not going to discuss strategies. And of course, there was this view up reversal. It was 50 cents higher, still delivered $1 plus. Again, the daily chart in Robinhood, very strong. Again, one of the strongest plays this year. Talking about strong plays this year, Palantir, but not a great day so far for PLTR. A bit flat, zero, a gap up, a pullback, but now it's at zero, meaning a bit weaker than the rest of the market. So semiconductors are doing a good job. Again, if we want to look at them for further strength, Nvidia, AMD and MU, energy is strong today. On the negative side, we have Tesla, another let's call it not embarrassing, but losing like 6 to 7% in the last 3 days, and showing weakness definitely versus the rest of the market. Today down 2.3 at this point, and as you can see, one of the nicest setups of weakness and clear signal of weakness is this under the VWAP hold. Okay, so the markets are not very strong, but definitely this is a potentially short candidate, either using Tesla or TSLA, if anybody is looking for a potential short play. Again, expect volatility in about 30 minutes, and if anybody is looking for a trade, I would suggest being very careful about it. If anybody is already in the trade short, adjust stop losses before the speech, because like I said, volatility is expected. Other than that, across the board, very little strength. One of the nicest moves or movers, TEM, information technology, is it information? Health information technology and services. That's the symbol TEM. A very nice mover today, up 17% on positive news, and Cathy Wood buying 14 million, not shares, but putting 14 million to work in this company. The symbol is TEM. Normally we don't follow this stock, but the daily is very volatile, very volatile. You can expect, I don't want to say on a daily basis double-digit moves, but an amazing reversal after a small pullback from 60. Remember, those round numbers are really working when volumes are picking up, and this is the case here today with this stock. And this 60 breakout turned out to be almost a 10% mover from 60 highs of the day. At this point are 65. Again, very not very volatile, but volatile, a bit spready. You can see the let me post it in the room, the numbers here. So volume is amazing, a bit spready, but okay, the stock is up a lot. So those are the numbers. Spreads between 5, 6, sometimes 10 cents. The volume is 22 million not even midday, so expect way more at the close. And shorts are not available. I'm not sure why, but at least not on my platform. Shorts are not available. Definitely one of the winners today, and if anybody's watching and trades off either a watch list or a gainers losers list, you can easily find TEM up 17%, and right now it's at the highs of the day, so no trade there, but worth watching. Maybe it will continue or pull back and give another opportunity from the 60 or 65 or 60.50. Keep in mind it's a volatile mover, and I don't think the market is affecting this stock much. If we want to look at the holders of TEM, let me take a look a bit, see what's going on. Okay, this is plenty of insider holding, and 66 that makes sense. 66% of the float is held by institutions, and those who are insiders probably are blocked or not trading or not. Anyway, this is definitely an ETF slash hedge fund slash big money type of stock where volatility is not a problem for them. The intraday volatility, being that I'm guessing this is something that this is a type of stock that where expectations are super high. Maybe that's why Cathie Wood is in the business of this stock. Anyway, in terms of day trading the stock, should be on everybody's watch list, especially on days when, let's face it, there's not a lot of movement. The pre-market movers LIRA and VRA are absolutely not tradable intraday, very spready, and I'm not suggesting it to anyone. And other than that, we've seen some reversal in the DraftKings. Overall, not the best trading day for day traders, unless you are really focused, meaning Robinhood, meaning TM, meaning on the negative side. You know what, I didn't see even one stock that carried the volumes, the spreads, and the clear directional or maybe the other than SAIC, which is also a bit spready and thin. Okay, guys, don't want to spend too much time here, and there's really nothing much to say. 1 p.m. That's in about half an hour, 25 minutes. Can be a game changer for the SPY, the Qs, and the rest of the leadership. We'll see you with the closing bell later on today. Thanks a lot. Please like and subscribe us, and we'll see you.